Welcome back to my channel. And today's video, this is the part 2 of or the continuation of our trip to Barhia Town. And we are now entering, and this is their toll gate, but this is actually free of charge. So you don't need to pay any. If you want to see something different from the main city of Karachi, then this Barhia Town is perfectly made for you. And if you want to see uh, places inside of it, please join with us until the end. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, click the like so that I can make more videos like this in the future. And if you can, please share as well. This is one of their main gates here, and actually the gate is depend on which place you came from. As you enter, there are some checking, but mostly they are very strict for those bikers. The structural design of their main gate are all similar, so whichever place you enter, they are all have the same design. Welcome to Barhia Town Karachi. You can see how wide and clean it is, so let's enjoy the place. Honestly, I am not really sure if which part they don't really want any visitor to take videos or pictures, because I can see here that most of the people are taking videos and photos, maybe in some specific places only. Let us start enjoying the place. Stay tuned. Thank you. This place is beside the entrance, and at this time it's 3:30 p.m. And if you notice, there is no much people. It's just few people that you can see, and it might be because it's just 3:30 p.m. and it's a bit hot. And for sure, at around 6 to 10 p.m., there will be a lot of people here. This architectural design is really beautiful. So I am here in Barhia Town. See here. I am not really sure if picnic or party is allowed in here, but I think it's not because they have a specific place for parties. But if you want just to see, to have a walk with your family and friend, this place is really perfect for you. And it's also perfect for small kids. Let's have some
Just keep
pictures
walking.
here.
Don't look at the camera. Keep walking.
Just stop there. First take it better and her video like that. All done now? Yeah, keep moving little bit. Okay, stand there. Don't come near to me. I don't want to come near. Look, again she will walk. I will check your background. Yes, that's a nice one. But not other one. Sun is behind you. Yes.
This is a man-made or artificial lake in here. I don't have that area na. I love these architectural designs. It seems like you are back to 1,000 years ago. This road is from the main one of the main gate of Barhia Town, and it's very common here that there is no much traffic. But today it's extra clean since it's Tuesday and the time is still early for people to come out. And those people actually are gathering because there is an accident happened. The car and the bike hits each other, so it means even though there is no much car and traffic, accident can happen. And I think if the road is a bit empty or there's no much traffic, you need to be more extra careful. And as you can see, it seems like you are out of Karachi. It's like you will feel like you are in a different place. It's really beautiful, clean, and neat. And everything, or when you drive, it's really very calm. Seems also that you are out of Pakistan, but it is really in Pakistan. 5 months ago, we are also here. And if you check my previous videos about Barhia Town, you will notice that there is no much building. But now, I can see that there's a lot of buildings that they are building right now, and most of them are almost done. And they are for residential buildings like apartments or flat, and also for businesses. But as usual, since this is Pakistan, most of the buildings actually they are having their stores or business on the ground floor. And if you notice, there's a lot of signs that they will be launching at another or the second or to Barhia Town here in Karachi. And it's very soon. Inshallah, I will be showing that. If that happened, then I will try my best to show it for you as well. Here, this area is a commercial and residential areas as well. Most of the facilities and places here, you can see that they are under construction. And for sure, after a few months, you can see a lot of changes again. If you really want a life without a traffic, this place is actually perfect for you. But I am not really sure 100% since I'm scared that since they are building a lot of residential buildings here, and also people are now starting to come here and there's a lot of houses being built, I think there will be a lot of change in the future. It might be also crowded or having heavy traffic as well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the part 3 of my video. Have a great day.